Picture this scenario. It's the dead of night, and you hear an unwelcome sound in your home. Your heart races, and you need to protect yourself and your loved ones. In moments like these, having a reliable and effective tool at your disposal can make all the difference. That's where owning a shotgun comes into play. Today, we're diving into the compelling reasons why everyone should consider having a shotgun for self-defense and personal safety. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of why owning a shotgun might be a sensible choice in an uncertain world. So, let's jump right in and discover why a shotgun can be an essential tool in your arsenal for peace of mind. Reason 1. Cost-effectiveness. Now let's talk about the first compelling reason why everyone should consider owning a shotgun: cost-effectiveness. When it comes to protecting your home and loved ones, you want a tool that won't break the bank, but still packs a punch. One of the standout advantages of shotguns is that they are affordable. You can pick one up for just a couple of $100, or you can choose a slightly more expensive model if you want to splurge a bit. This affordability means that shotguns are accessible to a wide range of people, not just those with deep pockets. In comparison to handguns, which may require more training and practice to shoot accurately, shotguns are a more accessible option. They offer a combination of affordability, power, and ease of use that makes them a compelling choice for anyone looking to enhance their home security without breaking the bank. So, when it comes to cost effectiveness, shotguns really deliver the most bang for your buck, providing both affordability and the kind of destructive power that can make all the difference in a critical moment. Reason 2. Ease of use. Now let's dig into the second compelling reason why adding a shotgun to your home defense arsenal is a smart move: ease of use. Shotguns offer a unique advantage with their 4 points of contact, including your cheek, shooting hand, supporting hand, and shoulder. This configuration provides remarkable stability, enhancing your accuracy and control. Whether you're an experienced shooter or a novice, having this stable platform can make a significant difference when it counts. But what truly sets shotguns apart is their user-friendly operation, especially pump-action shotguns. These firearms are straightforward and intuitive, making them easy for most individuals to learn to use effectively. The pump action, a simple mechanism, ensures reliable cycling of rounds with minimal room for error. This means you can focus on what matters most: defending yourself and your loved ones, without worrying about complex firearm functions. So, in summary, when it comes to ease of use, shotguns provide stability, simplicity, and dependability. Reason 3. Lack of attention from authorities. Now, let's explore the third reason why owning a shotgun might be a wise choice: the lack of attention from authorities. It might come as a surprise, but when it comes to firearm regulations, authorities often focus their attention on what's often humorously referred to as the evil black rifle, which typically includes semi-automatic rifles. This leaves shotguns in a somewhat unique position, as they don't face the same level of strict regulation. But why is that? Well, shotguns may not always fit the traditional image of what people think a firearm looks like. Some shotguns, like the one we're discussing, such as a semi-automatic, might not be what immediately comes to mind. This ambiguity can lead to a lack of regulatory scrutiny. Another intriguing aspect is the confusion surrounding the destructive power of shotgun ammunition. While many may be familiar with the .223 round commonly used in rifles, shotgun rounds can be even more destructive once they enter a target. This paradox highlights the sometimes puzzling nature of firearm regulations and what authorities choose to focus on. So in essence, the lack of attention from authorities is a unique aspect that sets shotguns apart from other firearms, and can be considered another reason why they should be on your radar for self-defense and personal safety. Reason 4. Reliability. Let's delve into the fourth compelling reason to consider owning a shotgun: reliability. One of the key advantages of shotguns when it comes to reliability is their minimal maintenance requirements. Unlike some firearms that demand intricate care, shotguns are simple machines. A little oil applied occasionally is usually sufficient to keep them in good working condition. This means you can count on your shotgun to function reliably when you need it most. While we've mentioned that shotguns can come in semi-automatic versions, It's important to note that pump-action shotguns are even simpler and more reliable. The pump action is a time-tested mechanism that ensures round cycle reliably with each pump, making it a dependable choice for self-defense scenarios. So whether it's the historical reliability of shotguns that have stood the test of time or the minimal maintenance needed to keep them in top shape, the reliability factor makes shotguns an attractive option for those seeking a trustworthy tool for self-defense and personal safety. Reason 5. Power and effectiveness. Our journey into the compelling reasons to own a shotgun continues with a discussion about power and effectiveness. The fifth reason why shotguns should be on your radar for self-defense. Shotguns, particularly 12-gauge models, are renowned for their remarkable close-quarters power. When it comes to protecting your home and loved ones, you want a tool that can stop threats quickly and decisively. In this regard, shotguns excel. The sheer firepower of a shotgun, especially when loaded with buckshot or slugs, can incapacitate or deter intruders effectively. The wide spread of pellets from a shotgun blast significantly increases the likelihood of hitting the target, making it a formidable choice for self-defense. Imagine an intruder confronting you in your home, and you fire a 12-gauge shotgun. The threat is likely to be neutralized swiftly. Beyond their stopping power, shotguns can also serve as a deterrent in and of themselves. The very presence of a shotgun can discourage potential threats from escalating situations or entering your property in the first place. Knowing that you have such a formidable tool at your disposal can provide a strong psychological advantage. What makes shotguns even more appealing is their versatility for various self-defense scenarios. Whether you're defending your home, property, or personal safety, shotguns are up to the task. And within this category, the 12-gauge shotgun stands out as an epitome of power. Its capabilities make it the go-to choice for many individuals concerned about their safety. Reason 6. Ammo availability. Our exploration of the reasons to consider owning a shotgun wouldn't be complete without discussing the accessibility of ammunition. The sixth compelling reason. One of the standout advantages of shotguns is how easy it is to find ammunition for them. This ease of access is especially valuable in times when you need to replenish your supplies quickly. In fact, you might already have shotgun rounds stored in drawers or boxes in your home, making them readily available when needed. Sporting goods stores are reliable sources for purchasing shotgun ammunition. Unlike some specialized ammunition for other firearms, shotgun rounds are commonly stocked in these stores, ensuring you can find the rounds you need without much hassle. What adds to the appeal of shotgun ammunition is its versatility. This ties back to the earlier discussion about the versatility of shotguns themselves. There's a wide range of shotgun ammunition types available, from birdshot for hunting to buckshot and slugs for self-defense. This variety means that shotgun owners can easily find the specific type of rounds they need for various purposes, whether it's for hunting, self-defense, or other applications. Now, you might be wondering about the 0.5 reason we mentioned earlier. It's a playful acknowledgement that while not as compelling as the other reasons, the availability of shotgun ammunition still contributes to the overall case for owning a shotgun. And when it comes to ensuring you have the necessary ammunition on hand, shotguns offer a level of convenience that's hard to beat. So, when it comes to ammo availability, shotguns provide a practical advantage, making them a sensible choice for those who want a reliable and accessible tool for self-defense and personal safety. In conclusion, we've uncovered 6 compelling reasons why everyone should consider owning a shotgun for self-defense and personal safety. From their cost-effectiveness and ease of use to the lack of attention from authorities, reliability, power, and the availability of ammunition, shotguns offer a unique combination of advantages that can make a significant difference when it counts. Remember, responsible firearm ownership is paramount, and always adhere to local laws and regulations. Your safety and the safety of those around you should be the top priority. If you found this information valuable and would like to stay informed about practical topics like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Until then, stay safe, stay informed, and stay tuned for more insightful discussions.